Let me ask you this. When was the last time you updated your website? Exactly. Most business owners launch a website, celebrate and then ignore it. Until something breaks, a form stops working, a blog post sits in drafts for weeks, or worse, your site gets slower and you don't even notice. What if I told you there is a way to never stress about any of this again? In this video, I am going to show you how we help SaaS companies and small businesses keep their websites fresh, fast and frustration free every single month. No chasing freelancers, no surprise invoices, no waiting weeks for a small fixes. Just one plan, one team and a website that always brings leads. Hey, I'm Mansif, co-founder of Webflow. We design, build and maintain websites for SaaS companies and small businesses using Webflow, Framer and WordPress. Over the past few years, we have partnered with 30 plus SaaS and service business startups, from early stage startups to established businesses. We have helped them save time, increase conversions and stop stressing about website updates. And here is the best part. Our very first client is still with us years later. That's what happens when your team actually delivers month after month. And that's exactly why I am going to show you how our monthly care package can take your website without losing control or paying extra. Alright, let's dive into what actually happens when you sign up for our monthly website care package. Think of it as your part-time website team, taking care of everything so you can focus on growing your business. Step 1. Scope and clarity. Redesign, migration, launch a new product, SEO updates, or maybe all of it at once. We define the scope clearly upfront so you know what's getting done, when and how. No guessing, no surprises, just clarity from the start. Second, accurate timelines and planning. We have completed hundreds of projects and thousands of tasks, so we know what takes time and what can be done fast. No unclear estimates, no delays. You always know when your requests will be completed. Step 3. Customizable packages or add-ons. You can customize your plan exactly how you need it. Whatever platform your website is on, Webflow, Framer or WordPress, we have got you. From plugin updates and theme tweaks to ongoing support, we make sure your site runs smoothly no matter the tech. Need a designer to fix your pages or make them look better? Easy, you can add a dedicated UI UX designer to your plan. Need a technical fixes like forms, integrations or bugs? Add a developer and they will handle it all, so your site always works perfectly. Deadline coming up fast? No problem. Add priority support and your task starts the next business day. Want motion design or better copy to grab attention? Just add those add-ons and we will take care of it. Have a big project? Add extra designers or developers to your plan and we will move faster. Want better SEO or more conversions? You can add our SEO and CRO packages anytime. Only need updates sometimes? Opt for flexible hourly package. It never expires, so you can use it whenever you want. Think of it like a menu. Pick what you want, leave what you don't, and your website is served perfectly. And every month you will get a clear report of what we have done, so you always know your website is being looked after. Plus, you will have a direct line to our team on the Slack channel. No more waiting days for replies or submitting endless tickets. And the best part, it's just one simple monthly price. No need to hire a full-time team. We take care of your website while you focus on what really matters: running your business and not getting stuck on endless updates. Let me give you a quick peek at the team that actually takes care of your website. We have got UI UX designers with 7 years of experience, total pros in Figma, Webflow, Framer and all the design stuff that makes your site looks amazing and convert visitors into customers. On the dev side, we have got experts who live and breathe Webflow, Framer and WordPress. They handle everything from tricky bugs to custom features, so your site just works every time. And we also have experienced SEO and content managers, making sure your blogs, copy and updates are always fresh, optimized and driving traffic. Think of it like a pit crew for your website. Designers, developers and content managers all working together. Just experts, keeping it running smoothly every single month. And that's how we keep your website fast, fresh and stress-free every month. No chasing freelancers, no surprise bills, no waiting forever for tiny fixes. If you're done stressing and want your website to actually work for you, don't wait. Hit the link in the description and book your call today. Let's get your site running smoothly before another broken form or slow page costs you leads.